Wait, don't buy the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G just yet. In the next 85 seconds, I'll unbox it and show you whether Samsung has finally made the best mid-range smartphone of the year. Let's go. Here's the brand new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. The box has Samsung's signature minimal design. Let's break the seal and see what's inside. First, we have the phone itself. Wow, that looks premium. Underneath, there's a USB Type-C cable, the SIM ejector tool, and the quick start guide. As expected, there's no charger included. Let's peel off the protective film. And there it is. The matte finish feels smooth. The camera design looks clean, and the phone feels surprisingly premium in the hand. Powering it on for the first time, that Samsung display looks bright, colorful, and incredibly smooth. If the performance matches the looks, this could be one of the best value smartphones from Samsung. Would you buy the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the full camera and gaming review.